Is the Bitcoin pump over in 2021? Well, I think no. No, you should not sell. You should not panic. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what are these numbers stating. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some of the history of Bitcoin halving from how many days have passed from the halving, and what are the stats looking like, and probably what could be the date, what could be the month in which ideally Bitcoin pump will become. So I think it's not going to be in 2021. Probably it's going to be in 2022. And I'm going to be giving you some facts, okay, related to the numbers. Okay, now you don't have to take my advice as a financial decision. You can do your own intelligence and make sure to invest in cryptocurrencies based on what your financial advisor is telling you. Okay, this is just an educational purpose video, so you should take my opinion just as an education. All right, so let's get started. So let's see what had happened in the first halving, which was held in 2012. The date was 28th of November. All right, in 2012. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing you the chart of 2013 pump, and it was exactly after 365 days the pump had come. Okay, you can see exactly the next year, maybe the 30th or 29th, and you can still see over 28th of November, and the pump had happened on 30th. So exactly after 365 days and maybe 1 to 2 days more than that. Okay, now let me share the next halving, which was on July 9th, 2016. Okay, and in this year I can share with you the pump had came on like 17th of maybe 17th or 18th of December. So ideally, if you check it, I've made a chart. In 2013, it had came exactly after 365 days from halving. In 2020, I'm sorry, it was in 2017. Sorry for that. It had came exactly after 525 days, and then in this bull run we are expecting around the same timing, like 525 days, maybe 600 days. No, but it is not. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some calculations. You can see over here how many days more it took for the halving to come in this year. Okay, so if you do some calculations over here, I've got a calculator over here. The first year it was 365 days, exactly after 365 days. All right, the next one was on the next halving was on July. So from July, if you calculate August, September, October, November, December, it's going to be 5 months. All right, and we can add 10 days to that. So eventually 365 plus 160 ideally we can take. So it had came after 525, which I have written over here. Okay, now if we look at this last year's halving, which was on 11th of May, and we are looking at the same number 525, then it could be like this year May, and we can say, let's see the calculator. Okay, 525. If we are looking at 525, the exactly which would have appeared in 2017, we can delete it 365 days over here, and we would get 160. That is like how many? 5 months and 10 days. So we can say from May, June, July, August, September, October. So it should have come in October, but we are in November and it hasn't came as yet. So this calculation is not correct. So what could be possibly the chance is, this is just, we would add another 160 into it. So what we can do is 365 plus 160 plus 160, and that is 685 days from halving in from this date. Okay, and that would be like, let's cut off 1 year, 365 days, and let's see 320 and divide it by 30 days. All right, so it will come 10 months from this year's halving, May. Okay, so let's calculate 10 months. Ideally, we could say 10 months. So it could be like June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. So it is coming in March according to the stats. If you just took according to the last bull run, which was like 525 days, it should have come in October, but we have passed October. Now, according to it, it could be like 525. So we could say 525 plus, again, we would add 160 days, that is 685. So it could be 685 days from halving in this. So eventually it could come in probably March 2020. March 2022, it's what it could go up. So you don't have to panic anything. And this is just my advice, because this is this year's chart. You can see this is 2013, exactly after 365 days. Here, exactly after like 365 plus like 6 months or 5 months. And we could add some of them in this, and not yet, we have not yet it is just going down. It's down, you can see over here. So a lot of people are panicking. So you don't have to panic, my friend. Okay, don't have to panic. Another thing I want to point it out, if this was the peak, which by the way a lot of people are thinking, my friend, see every bull run, after every bull run, the altcoins are pumping after Bitcoin is going down. Okay, you can just check it. You can just check it on CoinMarketCap. If you just look at Ethereum, and you can just see the chart of Ethereum. Ethereum was in 2016. It had got, but you can basically see the chart of Ethereum. If you see on 2017, Bitcoin pump was on December the 17th, and we could see that this pump was on 12th of January, exactly after like 25 days, maybe 20 to 25 days. So today itself, you can see if this pump is over, why the altcoins are going in the same direction. Okay, all Bitcoin is going down, all the altcoins are going down. So eventually, if the Bitcoin pump is over, the altcoin should be pumping. Okay, but it is not happening. If you see the chart today or yesterday, all of the coins are going down. So my friend, don't worry, don't get panic. Bitcoin pump is not yet arrived. Okay, and this is just my opinion. You can do your own due intelligence, but I think March 2022 would be the month where the Bitcoin bull run will be coming. This is just my opinion. You can do whatever you want. Okay, this is just my opinion, but this is certainly not the day or the month where you would think that this time bull run is over. No, it's not yet over. We are in the early phase, and this is, I guess, the best buying opportunity where you can get it at a really cheap price. Okay, so that is something I wanted to share with you, because a lot of people are panicking right now and they are selling off. Don't sell it in the loss. Hold it for at least like 5 years. I guess I could recommend maybe any cryptocurrency should be held at least for minimum of 5 years to make a real good return. Okay, this is just an advice, not a financial advice. You don't have to take it my opinion as an advice. You should always consult your financial advisor if you want to invest even 1 cent into cryptocurrencies. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. I'll have you see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.